Have you ever looked in the mirror and thought, where did that line come from? It's a universal experience, honestly. One day your skin is smooth, and the next it feels like fine lines are just popping up out of nowhere. We see these dramatic before and after pictures all the time, skin that looks tired and aged, and then suddenly it's glowing and youthful. It makes you wonder what the secret is, right? What if I told you the answer isn't some crazy, expensive, chemically loaded cream, but something that comes directly from nature? Because you guys, it is! Natural oils can be some of the most powerful, and I mean allies in your skincare routine, especially when it comes to fighting the signs of aging. These aren't just your standard moisturizers. They are packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and fatty acids that your skin is literally craving to repair itself and get that radiance back. It's about working your skin, not against it. Forget the myth that oil clogs your pores and causes breakouts. When you use the oils, the results can be absolutely transformative. I've seen it happen, and it's why I'm so passionate about this. So in today's video, we are going to do a deep dive into the best of the best. I'm going to break down my top oils for fighting wrinkles, what makes each one so special, the ingredients to look for, and most importantly, how to use them correctly and safely so you don't waste your money or worse, damage your skin. We're going to demystify all of it, from argan to frankincense, so you can feel confident adding these bottles of liquid gold to your routine. Let's get into it. Okay, let's kick things off with a classic, and for good reason, argan oil. If you've been in the skincare world for even a minute, you've probably heard of this one. It's often called liquid gold, and honestly, that's not just marketing hype. This oil is extracted from the kernels of the argan tree, which is native to Morocco, and it has been used for centuries for both cosmetic and culinary purposes. The reason it's such a powerhouse for your skin is because its ingredient list is just. It is incredibly rich in vitamin E, which is a potent antioxidant that helps protect your skin from damage, and it's loaded with essential fatty acids like oleic and linoleic acid, which are fundamental for maintaining a healthy skin barrier. So what does that actually for your wrinkles? Well, when your skin barrier is healthy and hydrated, your skin looks plumper, fuller, and those fine lines become way less noticeable. Argan oil provides intense hydration without feeling heavy or greasy, which is a major win. It works to improve your skin's elasticity, making it feel firmer and more supple over time. To use it, it's super simple. After cleansing and toning your skin at night, just take 2 to 3 drops, warm them up between your palms, and gently press the oil into your face and neck. You can use it daily, and it's generally great for most skin types, especially dry or mature skin. It's a fantastic, reliable starting point if you're new to facial oils. Next up is an oil that I am personally obsessed with, and that is rosehip oil. Now don't get this confused with rose essential oil. They are completely different things. Rosehip oil is a pressed seed oil extracted from the seeds of wild rose bushes. And you guys, it is a game changer for skin regeneration. The ingredient profile is just insane. It is packed to the brim with antioxidants and essential fatty acids, but its real claim to fame is its high concentration of vitamins, specifically vitamin A and vitamin C. And as we know, these are two of the most celebrated ingredients in the fight against aging. The vitamin A, in the form of trans-retinoic acid, helps to encourage skin cell turnover and boosts collagen production. More collagen means firmer, more elastic skin, and fewer wrinkles. The vitamin C is a brilliant antioxidant that not only helps protect against environmental damage, but also works to brighten the skin and reduce hyperpigmentation, like dark spots or acne scars. It's a true multitasker. My favorite way to use this is as an overnight treatment. After your evening routine, massage a few drops into your skin. It gives your skin all night to soak up those amazing nutrients and work on repair and regeneration. When you wake up, your skin just has this incredible glow. It is just everything. Okay, let's talk about an oil that is so special because of one key thing, its molecular structure. I'm talking about jojoba oil. And here's the science bit that is actually super cool. Jojoba oil is technically not an oil, it's a wax ester. What's wild is that its composition is incredibly similar to the natural sebum that our own skin produces. This is huge. It means your skin recognizes it and knows exactly what to do with it. It's like speaking your skin's language. And because of this, it's one of the most versatile and non-comedogenic oils out there, which means it's less likely to clog your pores. Because it mimics our natural sebum, jojoba oil has this brilliant ability to balance the skin. If you have oily skin, applying jojoba oil can trick your skin into thinking it has produced enough oil, which can help regulate overproduction and reduce that greasy look. But if you have dry skin, it provides the perfect amount of moisture to nourish and soothe dry, flaky patches. It's this incredible balancing act that makes it suitable for literally almost every skin type, including acne-prone skin. You can use it as a daily moisturizer by pressing a few drops into your skin. Or, and this is a great hack, you can use it as a gentle and effective makeup remover. It dissolves makeup, even waterproof mascara, without stripping your skin of its natural moisture. It's a true skincare staple. Now for an ingredient that feels super luxurious and, honestly, is a bit of an unsung hero in the oil world: pomegranate seed oil. We all know pomegranates are amazing to eat, but the oil extracted from their seeds is actually a potent anti-aging treatment. This oil is thick and feels incredibly rich, and its power comes from a unique and very rare fatty acid called punicic acid. It's an omega-5 fatty acid, and you guys, the research on this is so promising. It's a strong anti-inflammatory, which helps calm stressed or irritated skin, but its main benefit is its ability to stimulate keratinocyte proliferation. In simple terms, that means it helps your skin regenerate its outermost layer, the epidermis, more effectively. This stimulation leads to skin that looks and feels thicker, firmer, and more youthful. It also boasts some serious antioxidant properties that help fend off free radical damage, which, as we know, is a major contributor to premature aging and wrinkles. Because pomegranate seed oil is quite rich and potent, a little goes a long way. I love recommending it as a booster. You can mix just 1 or 2 drops into your favorite moisturizer, or even into another lighter carrier oil, like jojoba or argan oil. This way, you get all the regenerative benefits without overwhelming your skin. It's a fantastic way to supercharge your existing routine. If you're someone who hates, and I mean really, the feeling of heavy oil sitting on your skin, then you need to meet marula oil. This one is honestly a dream. It comes from the nut of the marula fruit in Africa, and it is known for its incredibly light texture and fast absorption. You apply it, and it just sinks into the skin almost instantly, leaving behind a smooth, satin-like finish, not a greasy film. This makes it absolutely perfect for daytime use, even under makeup. But don't let its light texture fool you. This oil is an antioxidant powerhouse. Marula oil is loaded with antioxidants, including vitamin C and vitamin E, as well as something called epicatechin, which is also found in green tea. This powerful combination makes it exceptional at fighting free radicals from pollution and UV exposure, the daily environmental aggressors that constantly attack our skin and lead to breakdown of collagen and the formation of wrinkles. By providing this protective shield, it helps to preserve your skin's youthfulness. It's also rich in oleic acid, giving it fantastic moisturizing properties. For daily use, just apply 2 to 3 drops to your face and neck every morning after cleansing. It will protect your skin throughout the day while giving you a beautiful, subtle glow. Okay, we need to talk about an ingredient that has been revered for literally thousands of years: frankincense oil. This isn't a carrier oil like the others we've discussed. This is an essential oil, and that's a really important distinction. It's steam distilled from the resin of the boswellia tree, and its use in beauty and wellness rituals dates back to ancient Egypt. Frankincense is celebrated for its powerful astringent properties. What this means is that it can help protect skin cells, reduce the appearance of large pores, and tighten the skin, which is exactly what you want when you're trying to combat sagging and wrinkles. Beyond its tightening effects, frankincense is also believed to help improve skin tone and elasticity and even reduce the appearance of sunspots and age spots. It has cytophylactic properties, which means it encourages the growth of new cells, helping to reduce the visibility of existing wrinkles. Now, this is critical, you guys. Please listen, because this is an essential oil. It is highly concentrated, and you should apply it directly to your skin. That is a one-way ticket to Irritation City. You must dilute it. Add just 1 or 2 drops of frankincense essential oil to a tablespoon of a carrier oil like jojoba, argan, or even sweet almond oil before massaging it into your skin. This is non-negotiable for using it safely and effectively. Let's talk about an ingredient that is often found other oils but is also a superstar on its own: vitamin E oil. Now, when you buy vitamin E oil, it's typically a very thick, sticky oil that is a blend of vitamin E, also known as tocopherol, mixed with a carrier oil. This stuff is a heavyweight champion when it comes to skin nourishment and repair. Its primary function is as an antioxidant, and it's particularly effective at protecting the skin from damage caused by the sun's UV rays. It absorbs the energy from ultraviolet light, preventing it from creating those pesky free radicals that degrade our collagen. This oil is also amazing for supporting cell renewal. It helps to lighten brown spots, smooth rough skin, and can even help heal scars and other skin imperfections. Because it is so thick and concentrated, I don't typically recommend using pure vitamin E oil all over your face every single day, especially if you have oily or acne-prone skin, as it can be comedogenic for some. Instead, think of it as a targeted treatment. You can use it as a spot treatment on scars or dark spots, or you can use it 2 to 3 times a week as an intensive overnight mask to deeply nourish and repair your skin, especially after a day in the sun. A little goes a very, very long way with this one. So we've talked about all these amazing oils, but how you apply them is just as important as which one you choose. If you just slap them on, you're not going to get the best results, and you could even cause issues. So, rule number 1, always apply oils to clean, slightly damp skin. After you cleanse, maybe spritz a little toner or facial mist, and then apply the oil. The dampness helps the oil to spread more easily, and more importantly, it helps to lock in that hydration. And always, always apply with gentle, upward motions. We want to work against gravity, not with it. Gently press or massage the oil into your skin, moving from the center of your face outwards and upwards. Now for some crucial warnings. First, and I cannot stress this enough, patch test. Before you slather a new oil all over your beautiful face, please apply a small amount to a discrete area, like behind your ear or on your inner arm, and wait 24 hours to see if any irritation occurs. This is so important. Second, don't go overboard. More is not better. 2 to 4 drops is usually plenty for your entire face and neck. Using too much will just leave you feeling greasy and can potentially lead to clogged pores. And finally, quality matters. Look for oils that are cold-pressed, unrefined, and organic if possible. Poor quality, highly refined oils won't have the same nutrient profile and can sometimes contain unwanted additives, so be a smart shopper. All right, you guys, we covered so much today. We dove deep into the world of natural oils, from the hydrating power of argan and the balancing magic of jojoba to the regenerative superstar rosehip oil. We talked about the protective qualities of marula, the firming benefits of pomegranate seed, the ancient tightening secrets of frankincense, and the intensive repair of vitamin E. Each one of these has a unique set of benefits, and the key is finding the one that speaks to your skin's specific needs and concerns. But here is the most important takeaway. Consistency is everything. You can have the best, most expensive oil in the world, but if you only use it once every 2 weeks, you are not going to see the results you're hoping for. Integrating your chosen oil into your daily or weekly routine and sticking with it is what will truly transform your skin over time. So whether your skin is dry, oily, or mature, there is a natural oil out there that can help you. Don't be afraid to experiment a little and listen to what your skin is telling you. This is your journey, and you have the power to nourish your skin from the outside in. I truly believe that. Your youthful glow is just a few drops away. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about harnessing the power of natural ingredients, please give this video a thumbs up, drop a comment below telling me your favorite facial oil, and of course, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.